Hello children, welcome back to Unorthodox Learning YouTube channel, and today I will tell you how to write informal letter in box format. Informal letter means personal letters, that the letters you write to your relations, friends, colleagues, and these kind of letters are called personal letters or informal letters. These have a simple informal style. The subject of such letters are invitation, request, apology, congratulations, inquiry, sympathy, thanksgiving, and conveying news. Now, let us quickly move to the layout of personal letter or informal letter. We are talking today about box format. What you have to keep in mind while writing your letter in box format, that everything should be left aligned, means everything will begin from the left hand side of your page. The very first thing which we have to write is the sender's address, means address of the writer is written at the top left hand corner of the page in this box type format. After this, you will finish your sender's address in 3 lines. After this, you will leave a line and then you will write date. Again, to the left hand side of your page, you will write date, and date will be written in the same format in which I have written 18th May 2020. Like this only you will write down the date. The most important thing which you have to keep in mind is, while writing the name of the month, you will not use contractions or abbreviations, means short form. If you are writing October, so OCT, you will not write OCT. You will write the complete spelling of October. Next, coming to the salutation. Third is the salutation or greeting. Now go again to the left hand side of the page and write the salutation. The greeting or salutation has a line to itself and is followed by a comma. After salutation, you will put a comma. The form of greeting will depend on the relation in which you stand to the person to whom you are writing. Means, how are you greeting the person, how are you writing the salutation, depends on the relation with that person to whom you are writing your letter. For your near relatives, you can write dear mummy, dear dad, dear grandma. Or for your close friends, you can write their name, dear Sohan, dear Mac, like this. After that, to begin your letter, you will write down one opening sentence starting just below the salutation. Opening sentence of the letter could be a response to an earlier communication, or it should have a reference to the subject of the letter. Means, either it will be telling us about the subject of the letter, means why are you writing this letter, or it can be a response to an earlier communication or earlier letter. I am telling you examples of some opening sentences. You can begin your letter body with I was delighted to hear your success. If you are feeling sad to tell anything in letter, then you can begin your letter with I am very sorry to tell you, or you can write we are all shocked to hear, thank you for your letter. Like this, these are the different opening sentences which you can use in your letter, informal letter, as an opening sentence. Now, the body of the letter contains 2 to 3 paragraphs. Divide the body of the letter into 2 to 3 paragraphs, and the subject matter of the letter is given in this part. The body of the letter must be broken into paragraphs. So, whatever the letter is about, you will write in these 2-3 paragraphs. After this, coming to the concluding sentence, this is very important part of your letter. You have to conclude your letter with the closing sentence. Now, this closing sentence should have some connection with the topic of the letter. Means, this closing sentence, what should be your closing sentence, depends on the question or topic of the letter. I am giving you some examples how to write the closing sentence. Give my regards to your parents. Please remember me to your brother. We all miss you here. I am looking forward to visit you. I look forward to hearing from you soon. These are some of the concluding sentences which you can write. After that, coming to the subscription will again come to the very left hand side of your page. In subscription, you will write yours affectionately, yours lovingly, or your loving son, your loving daughter, followed by a comma. You will put a comma there, and just below it you will write your first name. For yours, yours affectionately or yours lovingly, Y will be capital, A or L will be in lowercase, that will be small letter. I have given you one specimen. One specimen is there. You can see in this I have written the sender's address in 3 lines, and after that I have left one line writing the date just below the sender's address. After that, leaving another line, I have written salutation, dear mother. Then the closing opening sentence, I know that you are very disappointed with my half yearly report that you must have received last week. And then the subject matter or the body of the letter. Then coming to the closing sentence, please do not be worried about my health. I am much better. I look forward to meeting you during the midterm break. After that, I have written subscription, yours lovingly, Y capital, L small, comma, and first name, your first name. This is how we write letter in box format, informal letter in box format. Now, what you have to keep in mind while writing this box format letter, that everything will be left aligned, nothing will come to the right hand side of your page. You will not begin anything from the very right hand side of your page. And if you are writing your letter in block form, please do not use any punctuation mark in sender's address. You have to use punctuation mark with salutation and in subscription only. Thank you. Please subscribe to Unorthodox Learning. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Hit that like button if you enjoyed learning. Please write down your doubts in the comment section.